Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening display settings directly from the desktop. This gets you where Auto HDR lives. Once the Settings app appears, select System then Display to reveal advanced display controls. Make sure you are signed in with an admin account because some options require elevation. You do this now so subsequent steps change system-level HDR behavior reliably. Skipping the admin check can leave the toggle grayed out and prevent completion, so verify permissions before moving on. Once done, scroll to HDR and color settings under Display so you can access the Auto HDR toggle. You will see an HDR and WCG section. Click its settings or the link to Advanced Display. If Auto HDR appears here, toggle it off to disable automatic enhancement of SDR content. If the option is missing, make sure your GPU driver and Windows updates are current, because the system hides HDR controls until software and hardware support are validated. To finish, confirm the setting change, and then restart Windows or sign out so the system applies the new display behavior consistently. You should also inspect individual game or app settings, because some apps override system-level HDR. If turning Auto HDR off has no effect, roll back or reinstall your graphics driver, and as a last resort run system, restore to a point before HDR changes. If problems continue, test with another monitor to rule out hardware-specific HDR enforcement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.